so you're going to start with an action figure with pipe cleaners. And so you can choose whatever color you want for the body. And you can make, for your head, you can just make a circle, twist it around. Like that. Or you can use a wooden bead and you can place it through the pipe cleaner. And then what I have done, I create some hair. So you can make another pipe cleaner, and you'll be trimming down the sizes depending on the length that you want. Trim down. The top part can be its hair, and it'll just slide right through the bead. You can also take this extra, you can slide it through. This would be the back of the head, so it wouldn't necessarily show, since I'm doing a different color for his hair. And you can just stick some hair in there. Totally however you want it to be. I'm going to trim this down. Maybe his hair. You can go however you like. Okay, so this is the body. And I am going to use, for this one, I'm going to use different colored perler beads. And just red them on there. I'm going to use multicolors. You can use whatever colors you prefer. It's going to make him a multi. So I'm going to make it a kind of a, I guess a long, however long you want to make it, that's fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take another pipe cleaner, just going to cut off some length. And then as evenly as I can, fold this one in half. And I'm going to twist this around. This is going to be the arms. And then I'm going to do some beads like that. Okay, so and then I'm going to bend the end of the pipe cleaner down to keep perler beads in place, and then you can bend like at the elbow. And then you can bend the arms. Now I'm going to work on the torso. And perler beads, you can use wooden beads also, and pony beads. The perler beads makes it a little more lightweight. And you can also use straws. Maybe I'll use straws for the legs. So now I'm going to start with some legs. And decide want those. I'm cut off about this too much. And I kind of want to use up what I have. So I'm kind of going to measure it, eyeball it, kind of try and get the same length. And I'm just going to place this part up in here. Hopefully it will stay. Create some legs. Just trim up that. And you can also use a straw too. You can just slide the straw. Straws are pretty lightweight. Make sure I get them about the same. You can always, they might slide a little through though. Otherwise, you can use a pony bead. Those are a little bit bigger. So it won't slide through the straw as well. Showing you different things that you can do with them. And then you can just bend the ends up or out, however you'd like it. And then you can bend it, make it look like it's moving or doing a backflip. So anyway, if you use a wooden bead also, you can make a face. You can either add little tiny googly eyes to it, but on this one I think I am just going to draw the face. So I'm just going to make a couple dots for the eyes, maybe make some eyebrows, little nose. Face. There you have your action figure. You can be doing a karate chop. And two, if you want, you can make a base for it. I just have a foam cord board. You can use different things. Cardboard. And I'm going to use hot glue to glue him down. So sometimes it might not stand on its own, so I have a little trick. If you already have it glued down, poke a hole in your base, and you can just kind of thread. You might need some pliers. Push it up there. Have a parent help you too if you're having trouble. See, I have a hole there. bring your toothpick down. And that way you have support. This one's made out of different beads, straws, and pony beads. This one is made out of a couple straws and pony beads and perler beads. And this one is made out of strictly pipe cleaner. And then a few pony beads for the hands and feet.